Yes, we have here another problem about limit of function in differential calculus. So, ito yung ating problem. Okay, try to solve this one. Okay, how to solve this one is, una is, wag na natin i-copy itong limit so na para medyo mas mabilis. So, rewrite, factor out natin ito. Okay, factor out natin yan. Paghiwalayin natin, ibig sabihin. So, di ba ito yung value niya? Ito na yan, di ba? Equal na yan doon. Okay, so sumunod naman is multiply natin to by FOIL method. So, by FOIL method, yung mangyayari sa kanya, that is, ilan ba yan? Bali, magiging 2x squared plus 2x h plus h squared. Yun yung magiging answer niya dito. Ito yun. Ngayon, mayroon pa tayong x squared. So, x squared. So, kayo nang bahala mag-FOIL method nito, ano? Same yung magiging sagot mo dyan. So, ngayon is nakita natin na mayroon tayong x squared dito at may x squared natin. So, pwede natin siyang i-combine. Kaya lang is negative yung isa, tapos yung isa yun naman is positive. So, ibig sabihin, cancel out. Okay? So, matitira na lang is 2x h plus h squared over h. Yun. Tapos, next thing to do is i-factor out naman natin ito. Ano? I-merge natin. No? Okay. Yung mangyayari sa kanya is pwede pa siyang maging 2x plus h. Multiply natin by h. Diba? Pwede yon. Same lang yung magiging sagot nun. Kahit ibalik mo yan, bali magiging 2x times h. Okay, tapos ito h times h is h squared. So, over h. So, ngayon is makakancel itong h. Okay? So, matitira na lang is 2x plus h. And then, sabi dito that your h is approximately or approaches to 0. So, substitute natin the value of h into 0. So, 2x plus 0, that is 2x. So, that is your final answer.